Alright, so today we're gonna be making a stand for this scroll saw. This is my first saw, so we're gonna make the stand for it. So I got some lumber here. We're gonna cut this in pieces using the same saw and see how it turns out. Alright, this is how the final stand looks like. I spray painted it and it turns out really nice. It's very sturdy also because I used a lot of glue and extra screws. I also bolted down the machine so there's no vibration. If you like this video, smash the like button, and if you subscribe to my channel, click the videos I posted on the right side. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, click the logo on the screen to subscribe. And once again, thanks for watching, and I'll be posting videos soon. For now, bye bye.